Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this corner shower bench. This is a really neat bench because it doesn't corrode or smell or mold or anything like that in the shower. So that is something that I really appreciate because we've had some bamboo ones or teak wood ones in the past that end up smelling. This is a really nice size. It's just a 12.8 inches around here, and it goes 17 inches tall. It does have this nice design on the top that's not only pretty, but it allows the water to flow through there. It's got a little soap holder. It's got your 3 separate bars that we will put together here. And it is a 2-shelf display here. So you've got your top and your bottom one. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together, and then we will get it in my shower. It actually does have this little T-wrench, so you can use that for your tools. Or if you had a drill that had this bit on the end, you can use that for a little quicker installation. So this is a pretty easy process. You just take these 3 legs and you screw in the 3 legs, and then we're gonna put in the middle or the bottom shelf here. And then we are set and ready to go. This is screwing in real easy. Each one of these legs has this nice silicone non-slip bottom on it. So that's really good. So that way you have it in your shower. It's not gonna scrape up the shower floor or anything. So here's the corner of my shower. With this design, it just fits right in there. It does not take up a whole lot of room. And then you can use it either for a bench or you can hold different items on it, which is usually what I do. And sit things on there. It does have a little hole right here that if you wanted to put your shower head right here, you could do that. You've got your little soap dispenser. If you didn't want it, you can actually just swivel this inside so that way it's more of a flush area. But that gives you a lot of space that you can put all sorts of things. And you could even put your soaps and things underneath of there if you want to have that. And then you have a whole bench to sit on. But this is a really nice design that'll allow you to hold up to 350 pounds. And because of the material, it's waterproof, rust-proof, corrosion-proof. You can just clean it up with just soap and water. And it is ready to go. It has those nice pads at the bottom so it can adjust and move around however you need it to be.